Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ask, Learn, Grow, the show where the Reef team answer questions and share updates and insights from the digital marketing industry. I'm joined with Dominique today, who's our content strategist and lead editor here at Reef, and we're going to be talking about the benefits of a blog, or more specifically the content strategy associated with a blog for your business. So Dominique, I guess, do you want to take over and introduce this week's topic?
Yeah, for sure. So today I'll be talking about why you should be blogging and the benefits it can bring to your business. So I'm just about to share my screen of something that I prepared earlier just to take you through the benefits and kind of give it to you in a visual sense.
Cool. Yeah, take it away. Okay, looks good. So how does regularly publishing content then help to improve the performance of your digital marketing efforts?
Yeah, so essentially content gives you an opportunity to give your brand a voice and to talk directly to your customer. They've actually narrowed it down, content marketing, into a formula. So when you're creating great content, you're offering value to a reader. So you're giving them something useful that they're wanting to engage in. That in turn then creates an audience. So you have a group of people that you're able to communicate directly with. When you're communicating with a group of people, you're advertising to them. Whether they realize it or not, you're speaking directly to your ideal customer. When you're talking to them, you're creating an audience, you're actually gaining awareness of your product and service, and this in turn converts into an eventual sale.
Yeah, really good. I like that formula, Dominique. That's nice. Just if I may pick up on one point, when we say great content, can you elaborate any on what that actually means and your opinion on that?
Yeah, so great content can have many forms. You can either do written content through the blog, or you could add a vlog, so that's a video type of content. Your blog can have infographics in it, just anything that's useful that will provide value, that when your audience is reading it, they think, oh wow, this is something I didn't know, and you've actually learned something. You're changing the perception of the brand in the reader's mind. So it could be anything from copy to video to GIFs, just something that adds value.
Yeah, 100%. And publishing regular great content, to pick up on that terminology, you're going to attract and build an audience who want to be regularly engaged from this content. And then, like exactly as you're presenting your formula, that's going to create awareness. Now, probably a topic for a different video, but worth calling out. Yes, the awareness will potentially lead to sales, the more awareness that you generate. But there's a lot we can do in between those two boxes as well. But probably a bit too big a topic to
Exactly. We'll tackle that in the next one.
Yeah, cool. All right. So have you got any examples, perhaps, that you could run through of brands using the blog for good content marketing?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of my favorites is a Sydney-based bedding company called Bed Threads, who regularly publishes lifestyle content on the journal section of their site. The content centered around lifestyle and home content with a very strong link back to sleep, given that they're a bedding company. They have over 87 pages of content, from how gut health affects your sleep to the best bedtime playlist. Decided to become a regular source of information and somewhere that I like to engage in my content. So content allows brands like Bed Threads to have a personality and add another layer of interaction and engagement to keep them top of mind for their readers.
One thing I like about this example that you've just shared is what they're doing there, in just on what we're looking at on the screen, is they're taking a popular topic that's probably of great interest to a large portion or a segment of their audience, sort of health and nutrition, and they're making it relevant to them and what they do by linking it back to sleep. So yeah, great example. Great. Okay. So knowing the benefits of incorporating blogging or content strategy into your digital marketing activity, if somebody wanted to start a blog for their business, and where would you advise them to start? And can you share any tips to help get the strategy off on the right foot, basically?
Absolutely. So I would always start with understanding who your customer is and create maybe 1 to 3 personas and ask questions like who they are, what are their interests, what are their pain points, how they like to consume their entertainment, and how your product and service can help them. I think by having a clear idea of who you're talking to enables you to always ensure you're tailoring your content to one of those personas. Another piece of advice I would recommend is investing in good content, whether it be taking a course or contracting experts in the industry. Quality is king, and if you're not creating high quality content, you won't reap the rewards it can offer. And finally, I would just have fun with it. Explore your brand's creativity and don't make it a chore. That's something that's going to stress you out. It's a reflection of your brand and there is no right or wrong answer. Just have some fun with it and enjoy the process.
Cool. And just to pick up and linking back to the case study that you shared a minute ago with the persona angle, I can't remember the brand, but the bed
threads.
The company in the previous example, they've clearly identified that one persona out of their entire audience is sort of health conscious. That's why they kind of started talking about the sort of nutrition and health angle and linking it back. Try and talk to everybody and you'll kind of start talking to no one, because it will make your message very sort of vanilla and a lot less relevant. There might be a time and place for that occasionally, but wherever you can sort of speak to specific personas, obviously it's a lot more relevant and the connection should be a lot stronger if you do it right. So yeah, great stuff. Cool, that kind of wraps up today's call. So anything else to add just before we close off?
No, just have fun. Content is creativity, and so just there are rules and guidelines that you should kind of keep in mind, but at the same time, just have fun.
Cool. Okay. Thanks for all the insights and information you've shared today, Dominique. If anyone's got any questions about content strategy or anything covered in today's call, feel free to let us know. We're always happy to help. If you'd like to see us answer a burning question or cover a specific topic in a future video, do send your recommendations in and we'll see what we can do. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified when the next video is available. Apart from that, thanks all for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks, everyone.